No, they're Colin's presents.
Who are these from?
Nana and... Wow, they take this good.
Nana and who?
And Papa.
Who do you think taped that so good, Nana or Papa?
Nana. No, Papa. Papa.
Maybe there's a side of the paper that you can open.
Colin's presents.
There's tape every
He didn't open
single
any
side.
of your presents. He didn't open any of your presents, did he? No. You already opened them. It's not your birthday, Mama. Your birthday's done and gone.
Oh my god. More wrapping.
Sit down.
The Smurfs! The Smurfs! Space Buddies!
Space Buddy.
What'd you get? Show Nana what you got on the camera.
The Smurfs, Space Buddies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What do you say, Nana, Papa?
Thank you!